A small trekking in Trung Trang cave. We just came out in one piece. Good morning, this is our day 3 in Halong Bay, and Mon Cheri Cruises had organized a small trekking in Trung Trang cave, and we just came out in one piece. Mon Cheri Cruises brought us to Trung Trang Valley on a ferry. Then an approximately 10 to 15 minutes bus ride took us to Trung Trang cave on Cat Ba Island. The cave is open to visitors from 7 am to 5 pm and charges an entrance fee. Mon Cheri Cruises included trekking inside the cave to the list of activities for their guests, so we did not need to pay anything extra. You need to climb almost 100 steps upwards even before reaching the mouth of the cave. And if you feel short of breath, stop for some time and enjoy the greenery of Cat Ba National Park, located within 1 kilometer from the cave. Then a few more steps up will take you inside the cave. 300-meter long Trung Trang cave was discovered in 1938 by a team of Vietnamese and French archaeologists. The cave is made of limestone. We have already seen how limestone created a fantastic view in Halong Bay. But Trung Trang cave also has million-years-old deposits of stalagmites and stalactites hanging from its floor and roof. Artificial lighting and whatever natural light manages to seep into the cave have given the place a dazzling view. There will be several moments where you will find yourself before a very narrow opening. Just watch your head, bend down and crawl until you are out of those caves. Apart from natural deposits, Trung Trang is also home to bats, and that's why the cave was also known as Bat Cave to locals. However, Trung Trang cave also played its part in Vietnam's struggle for independence and served as a military base from 1964 to 1968. There is a water tank inside the cave. The soldiers used it during their refuge inside the cave and makes you remember the violent past.
Yeah, so this is a very narrow cave, and then we somehow came out of this cave. Okay.
While going up, you
Yeah.
need to climb 100 steps upwards and then I think almost 50 steps downwards.
Yeah.
But the cave is otherwise very beautiful.
Yeah.
It's
a small
naturally
cave,
made, right?
naturally made, and a lot of history behind this cave.
It has a bit of
Yeah.
history, and why it's called Trung Trang.
Yeah.
That is also another story behind it, we'll tell you.
Yeah.
Such historical sites are often associated with legends. Trung Trang cave also has one. Attracted by Cat Ba Island's beauty, invaders frequently attacked it. During one such invasion, Queen Trung Trang guided her soldiers to fight those invaders. Under her leadership, the soldiers won the battle and protected the honor of the island, whereas the queen returned to the cave. And to show respect to the queen, the people on the island started calling it Trung Trang Cave. But whatever the story is, Trung Trang Cave is undoubtedly one of the many natural marvels in Vietnam that attract tourists every year. Now we are back to Mon Cheri Cruises from Trung Trang Cave, and our 3 days 2 nights trip to this cruise is coming to an end. Then we are going back to Hanoi.
So from here, we'll take back the small boats again from the cruise to that port, and then from that port we'll be going by van to Hanoi. So it will be like another 2 hours journey, and we'll reach by around afternoon in Hanoi, and thereafter we'll see some local visits in Hanoi, local interests in Hanoi. So this is the end of our trip, and if you have liked this video, please like, share and subscribe.
Thank you.